Okay, part 2. In the part 2 I will show the basic principles of this intervention and some methods empirically. I have some short movie that shows it. So, the basic principles which inspire the intervention are modifiability and mediated learning. It comes from Feuerstein, but not only from Feuerstein, but also Vygotsky, Luria, and Brown, and so on. Feuerstein claims that modifiability can be applied despite the presence of severe impairment in the individual or of art injurances in their living conditions, which are both the case of other girls. So, to add to these girls, it is not enough to expose them to a rich world of color, objects of different forms, sounds, movement, and so on. It is not enough. In order to turn an experience into a source of learning, some components are necessary. These components induce the individual to classify, make comparison, group, label, and convey meaning to the current experience, putting it in relation with the previous one. About what to modify. It is important to modify both processes and ability. With the name process we mean underlying cognitive processes that are present in inputs, elaboration, output phase, such as attention, concept learning, transfer processes. With reference to abilities we mean communication, but Dr. Wan and Dr. Livingston will speak more in depth this. Daily living skills, motor skills, cognitive skills, emotional skills. About how to modify, how to start from simple and to go for with more true, more complex abilities. When a girl starts learning in A level, initially she has to give A-controlled attention, and it is necessary the full cognitive load to be employed. The girl can't in this moment learn B level, a more complex one, but through automatization of ability, I will speak about automatization, she can discharge cognitive load, she can reduce cognitive load and from A level, and she can apply it to B level to construct to learn a more complex one concept. Again, initially we have to apply full cognitive load, then we, through automatization, can discharge, and again we can go to C level and so on. So, the educator in relationship with the girl should select some stimuli, order them in a time sequence, first and before, put them into a causal and special system, attach a special meaning to certain stimuli, propose them many times, cancel other ones, highlight association among some stimuli and avoid the other ones. Finally, it is important that this kind of intervention take place at 3 levels: emotional, cognitive, and behavioral. All of this have to be inside. The ground of this methodology, as you can see, is human relationship that is intended both as an instrument of mediation to improve girls' ability, but also as a way to restore a meaning to the world itself through the interaction with the adults. Okay, we now start with the methods that are more operational. So, we start with the concept of general unconditioned acceptance of the girl, but this is the background. Rules, with reference to rules. Rules are very important key in this intervention since they can convey order to the external world, which otherwise will be perceived as chaotic. Rules must be few and given in an affirmative way, So I have not to tell to one girl, don't move your hand, but keep hands still. I must be complete and given at the right moment. Now you can see a short movie in which we give, I hope you can see a short movie in which we give rules. There is a technician here. What's your PT? When the next child is functioning.